Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice to use will or shall. Will is a modal verb used when we speak about the future. So something that hasn't happened yet. For example, tomorrow, next week, next year. That is the future. We use will plus the infinitive verb. And remember, the infinitive verb is simply the basic form of the verb. So how you would see it in the dictionary. For example, run, walk, swim, those are infinitive verbs. So have a look at the first example sentence. I will go to work tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future. Let's have a look at this example. I will phone the dentist next week. Next week is the future, so we use will, and phone is the infinitive of the verb. Another example, I will go shopping tomorrow. Tomorrow is in the future. We use the word will, and go is the infinitive verb. Shall is a modal verb used when we speak about the future. Shall is more formal than will. It is usually used in questions. We use shall plus the subject plus the infinitive verb. So have a look at the sentence example. Shall I go to work tomorrow? Shall plus the subject I plus the infinitive verb go. Let's have a look at this sentence. Shall we go shopping tomorrow? So it is a question. We're using shall plus the subject plus the infinitive verb go. One more example. Shall we go to the beach tomorrow? Shall, it is a question. We, the subject, followed by the infinitive verb go. Excellent work with will or shall. Well done. Goodbye.